Hi guys. Okay guys, yabona nje le ndaba bengingafuni ukuyingena ngoba indaba zanto awu-2 ayingenwa kahle kahle. Yindaba nje ezingangenwa nhlobo. Kodwa as a woman I couldn't sit by and watch people kind of tear down a woman when she's down on Facebook. I've been seeing ama-poster kanje talking about le ndaba leyaMbali. And although angihlangani, the fact that somebody posted it on social media, I feel like I have a right to have a say because she did post it for us to have overblown. And as a female, I get disappointed when I see other females kicking Umbali when she's down rather than lifting her up. And I'll tell you why. Guys, at our age, if you're a woman, you're over the age of 27, there's no woman who has adequate dating experience who would say they've never done anything stupid in the name of love. There's no woman who can comfortably say they've never done anything stupid in the name of love, right? I say that to say Siboni video Yambali posted on YouTube, which was talking about the fact that her ex, she was talking about exactly from her point of view, like inside, like as far as it break up with her ex fiance, right? And bekhuluma nje ngokuthi ukuhlukumezeka athi go through and just telling us her side of the story as far as le ndaba lena that has been brought to the public, that has been made public by abantu ukuthi kahle kahle what is her stance on the matter, because there's been speculations, people have spoken konke lokho, but she's remained mum on the issue. So finally she broke her silence, and I commend her for that. I commend her for taking her power back, because one thing a narcissist doesn't want is for you to stand up for yourself. So for the fact that you stood up for yourself, you've won. So good Twitter, there's a girl that posted ukuthi she feels bad for ukuthi Umbali, she was being beaten, allegedly beaten by her ex-fiance's girlfriend at the time, and her ex-fiance just stood there and watched. Wangasho lutho. He just stood there, and ukuthi a break up a fight, he took the girlfriend's side and was basically hyping ugirlfriend wakhe ukuthi akaqhubeke bamshaya Umbali. Umbali was seen on that video exolisa. She looked so scared, looking very vulnerable, and uthena from then onward, that's when she decided ukuthi uyaphuma kumshado wakhe, allegedly. And then kuTwitter the comment sections went on to say ukuthi kahle kahle Umbali wrong, because why did she get into the girlfriend's apartment, pushed the door in, allegedly, because that's what was spoken kwi-video. Apparently the girlfriend beats yona Umbali. I-girlfriend bithi Umbali uyalentuliza. Umbali uthi she smells of vagina, one. Secondly, she walked into her house, threw herself in her house and started hitting her unprovoked. Ekubeni Umbali wayesezivumile isithembu. Of which, if that is the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth, I feel like Umbali was wrong, and Umbali knows she's wrong, because in the video she's seen apologizing. Uyaxolisa, and she even says ukuthi bengenziswa ubuhlungu. And the fact that as a woman you can hear another woman saying that, but still umkhombe ukuthi you shouldn't have done that, even if you know what now you've done unspeakable things in the name of love, and unspeakable things in the name of breakups. It's beyond me. Imagine this. Imagine you get into a relationship with your dream man, a person who does yonke into owuyifuna in the past from other people. You are going through stress, awukho right emotionally and spiritually. Kuqhamuka umuntu who presents themselves as a savior yempilo yakho. Lo muntu umthembe ngakho konke kwakho, lo muntu akulobole. You move this person into your house, and then you start getting successful on social media through influence yakhe loyo muntu loyo. Loyo muntu loyo business person uyazama Now you are following your dreams of being a content creator. You become a household name. You become successful. Lo muntu uyakubuka. Yes, lo muntu unemali yakhe, but you as a woman, you are bringing in more money and influence, because influence ultimately turns into money, turns into business. So, lo muntu loyo as a man, don't you think he's triggered by you? Don't you think that man, because a man attaches his worth to amandla anayo nemali anayo. Now the woman in his life has more power, allegedly has more money than he has. Don't you think that would do something to that man's ego? Right? But that's angikho lapho, ngisakumbali. Now imagine this man owafika as a saver, wamthemba ngakho konke kwakho, wahamba wayakini, useyaqala uyakutshela ukuthi wena you are not enough. Because kahle kahle umuntu mase introduce isithembu, kahle kahle we can say whatever, ngesibalekele kodwa ukuthi they are saying you're not enough. They want more. And then lo muntu kunokuthi a-honorishe esivumelane senu sokuthi wena basically you don't disagree with him. You agree with him, but you say ngizokunika isithembu but ngiyacela ukuthi allow me ukuthi at least let me get settled, sikhulise iy'ngane, like focus on us kuqala, and then uzofocusa uma mncane ngesinye isikhathi, like she will come after. Basically what she's saying is, please prioritize me because I came first, which is reasonable. Please prioritize me because I came first. The guy could not do that, and the guy consistently waqhubeka uguy. So apparently, allegedly, the guy couldn't do that. Waqhubeka uguy, wayiforsa le ndaba yesithembu, asked Umbali to accept this woman, and she did accept this woman, but she was not comfortable ngethembu. Mina into engayisho ukuthi Umbali ube wrong ngayo, ube wrong ngokuthi avume ithembu, azi ukuthi akasifuni, azi ukuthi usazoyibuyisa indaba yesithembu. When she found out ukuthi this man wants ithembu, she doesn't want ithembu, she should have left. Like, for sure, she should have left. However, at the same time, the guy could have handled the situation better. Naye uguy, what he could have also done was leave. In as much as Umbali could have left, no guy could have also left. He chose not to leave. He chose to stay with her. Yes, he ended up moving out, which is fine. Right? But it was a little too late, because wayazi ukuthi vele Umbali, after ebona ukuthi Umbali akahambisani ngendaba yesithembu, he should have just let things go. He should have either left her or aqhubeke noGale, of which ukuthi ukhetha bani, ukhetha uGale, understood. But ekukhetheni kwakhe uGale, it doesn't mean ukuthi manje Umbali needs to stop feeling. She can't get rid of her feelings. She still loves her husband. This is her husband. This is the man who wafika wayakubo. This is a woman that's losing her man, who's losing her family, who's losing the idea of having a happily ever after. She's losing literally everything. Yabo, noma ngaba nemali yonke, but essentially she's losing everything. So, or everything that's important to her. So, akwazi ukuthi lo guy loyo bekuthi uyamthanda ngempela Umbali, akwazi ukuthi engasayida noma mncane, noma two wrong kangakanani Umbali, akwazi ukuthi mebathanda bobawu two babafazi bakhe bobawu two, akwazi ukuthi engasayida noma mncane athi akaqhubeka amshaye. That's wrong. You can't do that. That's wrong. This is a woman you once vowed to protect, but wena futhi omzwisa ubuhlungu, wena futhi nokuthi umprotect, you are exposing her to harm. That's wrong. And I feel like as a woman, if that happened to you, how would you feel? Yabo, kunzima ukuthi ungathi ngingenza kanje if lento lena akayenzeki kuwena, because that's blatant disrespect. The very fact ukuthi usisi mamncane girlfriend ka-husband wami can move into the same complex I am in, ukuze ukuthi azokwazi kahle ukujola with my husband ngikhona without imvume yami. That is the highest level of disrespect. They are both disrespecting her. They're basically saying, we want to have an affair in front of your face and there's nothing you can do about it. That's what they're saying. And for you guys to say, yeah, she should just get over it. If they can leave you, yes, they can leave you, but don't disrespect me. They can leave you, but don't disrespect her. Her feelings matter. Her feelings matter. She can't just turn her feelings off because again or because she can't. She feels betrayed. She feels embarrassed. She feels ashamed, humiliated. She feels like nothing. how would you act when umuntu who's supposed to protect you kuyena umuntu exposed to harm? Mina bandla, I don't want to say Umbali, but Umbali, she was dead as wrong for going to go attack loya sisi kwakhe ekubeni wazivuma indaba yesithembu. But no sisi was wrong, no husband was wrong for forcefully moving into her space to expose the relationship. Yeah, kuyena, knowing it makes her uncomfortable. It's disrespectful. Finish.